Hello and welcome. My name is Frank, and today I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in Audacity. I recorded a sample track here. Let's listen to it.
This is an audio example with background noise. How to remove background noise in Audacity. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Arts and Morbid Musician.
Okay, so there's the track. Now what you want to do is you want to take your cursor and you want to highlight a part of the track that should be silent. In this case, this part. You want to go to Effect. You want to go to Noise Removal Repair. Go to Noise Reduction. And we're just going to get a profile of the part that should be silent. So get Noise Profile. Okay, it doesn't look like anything happened. Now we're going to do Control A to highlight the whole track. Once again, we're going to do Effect, Noise Removal Repair. We're going to do Noise Reduction. This time, we're just going to go hit OK. Here are the settings that I have for mine: 12, 12.50, and then 7. Okay, and then noise is set to reduce. Now we're going to hit OK. Now it ran through the whole track. Now let's listen to the whole track this time and see what the difference is.
This is an audio example with background noise. How to remove background noise in Audacity. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Arts and Morbid Musician.
Okay, so as you can see, sounds much better. Hope you found the tutorial useful. Give me a like and a sub if you enjoyed this. I got more tutorials on the way.